In this video I want to share with you my street photography from the past week with my Leica Q3. I will share many of my photos with you as well as my point of view on the street, and I hope you will enjoy it. I'm not going to talk much in this video, I just want to share with you the last week that I did. I felt the need to go outside and just take photos without much thinking. It's not my best work, but it's really helped me mentally to go through this week. Some of the photos are straight out of camera, the JPEG files, I didn't edit them at all, except that I cropped them to the way that I wanted and straight to the photo. But some are edited with my Lightroom presets, which are available in my website if you are interested. Most of the time I was with an aperture priority mode. It's more easy for me on the street to not focus on all of the settings, the shutter speed. I just focus on the depth of field that I want for the subject, and I let the camera handle the rest. I limit my shutter speed to minimum of 1/25 of a second and my ISO to 800 as usual. So the Leica Q3 is really an amazing camera for street photography, and it's also waterproof, and now the winter just started here, so it was really fun to go outside not worrying about covering the camera. And although it didn't really rain when I was out, just a few drops here and there, I was really excited to get those new looks that I didn't get the whole summer. So please let me know in the comments what you think of the photos, what you think of the street photography with the Leica Q3. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more photography related content, it really helps me a lot. So let's get started.